ప్రేక్షకులకి నమస్కారం. పిలుపు టీవీ అమెరికాలో ఎన్నో లోకల్ ఈవెంట్స్ని కవర్ చేస్తూ ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఏమేం జరుగుతున్నాయో మీ ముందుకి ప్రతివారం తీసుకొస్తోంది. ఆ పరంపరలోనే ఇప్పుడు సంకష్ట చతుర్థి మండల్ వారు నిర్వహిస్తున్న గణేష్ ఉత్సవ్ 2016 కార్యక్రమం కూడా మీ ముందుకి రాబోతోంది. మన పిలుపు టీవీకి ఇవాళ ప్రత్యేక ఆహ్వానితులైన సంకష్ట చతుర్థి మండల్ కోఆర్డినేటర్ గారు అమోద్ దేశాయ్ గారు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు. మరి వారిని అడిగి ఈసారి గణేష్ ఉత్సవ్లో ఏం ప్రత్యేకతలు ఉన్నాయో, ఎలా జరుపుకుంటున్నారో మనం కూడా విని దానికి వెళ్ళి చూసేద్దాం. నమస్తే అమోద్జీ.
నమస్కారం.
తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులందరూ వాళ్ళ తరఫున మీకు స్వాగతం.
తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులను నమస్కారం.
తెలుగులో కూడా మాట్లాడేస్తున్నారు. बहुत अच्छा लगा आप तेलुगु बोलते हुए.
थैंक यू.
अब ये गणेश उत्सव कब हो रहा है, कहाँ हो रहा है, पहले आप हमारे श्रोताओं को बताएं.
So again namaskaram. This year we have been doing Ganesh Utsav for last 3 years now in a row. We have been conducting that at Oakland High School. That's where this year the event is going to be at Oakland High School on 11th of September. 11th of September also being the Swami Vivekananda's birth centenary, and it will be from 12 noon till end of the day. Typically our program is for a day, so anytime when you have chance, people can have time to come in the afternoon or in the evening whenever you want. So that's where our program is.
Amodji, every year you are back with a bang. बड़ा होता जा रहा है गणेश उत्सव, and you are putting together all the local organizations under one roof for this Ganesh festival.
Yes.
और इसके लिए you need a lot of energy.
Yes.
So where is this energy coming from?
Well, that's a good question. First of all, it's our love for Lord Ganesh. That's where it is, and I'm very happy to say this is not the only. I'm not the only one. Along with me, there's a big group who comes up to help, who steps up to help. We started with just a smaller group, and now the group has become bigger. So they help us to market, as well as there are people who are taking responsibility, individual responsibility, in a way that in our group nobody is a president, nobody is the secretary. We don't have that kind of structure. We are all coordinators, and we help support to bring our one Utsav together. So that's where the energy comes from. Even though they say that, okay, Amodji, you're leading it, but technically speaking, I would like to say that I'm one of the part of the team. You know?
Great teamwork. Yeah. Awesome. Or especially we should talk about the food and the booths that you set up there.
Oh yeah.
People entertain themselves a lot coming to that Ganesha festival.
Yes. So let me tell you how the structure of the Utsav is really, right? So we have about 40 dance performances by various schools in Washington DC metro region. So just to add, this year we are having Kaveri coming up with the 3 dance performances, Kaveri being the Karnataka association, as well as there's been a very tremendous support from all our Telugu brothers and sisters. So the Telugu dance schools, they have been coming up with us. So those 40 performances really becomes the bedrock of our entertainment. When the dance performances are going on, you can very well go out to do some shopping. So we have about good number of booths. We also given some booths for non-profit organization, and that is totally free of cost for them. Mm-hmm. So there they can place their fundraising, or for the temples they can raise for and things. So that's one of the social aspect of our program. What another important aspect we do is we teach kids under 10 to perform Ganesh Abhishek. So that's Mahabhishek is very kind of giving service to the Lord.
That's one of a kind actually. Like kids generally don't come for the pujas and all, but you make them sit, and then they are happy to do the puja there.
Yes. So the best part of our Ganesha puja is like this, that we provide them the booklet, we provide them the small murti, very small Ganesh murti, and then all puja samagri. Mm-hmm. And the priest, the head priest of our Ganesh Utsav, he over a period of half an hour, he would tell how to do the Abhishek. take. So we give small milk, we give dahi, we give water, and the proper abhishek of the Lord Ganesh is done. That Ganesh Murti is for the kids to take home and put them on the desk where they can pray Lord Ganesh. That's the way to connect our future generation to our culture, to our society. And that's one of a small...
that's a great effort, Amodji. That's a great effort.
Thank you so much.
I have a question, Amod जी.
हाँ जी.
इंडिया में इतने बड़े बड़े विनायक की मूर्ति होती है.
Yes.
हमारा खैरताबाद का तो awesome.
I
It's
know.
the tallest one.
Tallest one, 21 feet. I know
हाँ,
that. Yes.
तो आपका कितना बड़ा है और कहाँ से आ रहा है? इधर से
Very
इधर
good.
बनाया गया या?
नहीं. So I will tell you some historical about our Ganesh Utsav, right? So I come from Mumbai, and Mumbai where the you can say from Pune and Mumbai where the Ganesh Utsav really began about 100 years ago, and the main crux of having the Ganesh Utsav was to really bring the society together, right? So that was the main idea. So the same concept, the same idea, we want to bring it to our society over here. We are joining all our community societies, but the bigger idea is to bring the other people like the whites and the other races. We want to bring them together because we are one big American society. So coming to the point for where the murti is coming from, we are getting the murti from Pune. It's 5 feet tall. That's because the weight and everything we have to consider the customs to pass through. That's the reason why. But there are instances where there are bigger murtis that have already come here. So the next year we are planning to have a bigger murti in this.
As the event is growing bigger and bigger, the murti
also
is also
will go bigger.
going
Yeah.
bigger and
So
bigger.
that's our
Awesome.
life form, right? The life form we always progress. So that's how the idea is to grow the murti bigger.
Yeah. Actually, it's attractive for the eyes too.
True, very
to
true.
See.
Yeah. To see Lord
A
Ganesh in his
huge
full.
murti.
Yes.
Yeah. And also, one more thing. We have free entry this time.
Oh yes, I really forgot. Thanks a lot for bringing it up. Yeah, really. So the main idea of having our social cause, really the social cause should go along with the commercial, right? So the commercial should fit into. So we have a lot of people who are donating money, who give us just on the word, okay, we are doing this, please go ahead and take the money. So that's good in a way. But also we used to collect $5 to bridge the gap, because there's a lot of expenses. But this year, our group has become so big that they said, okay, we should do this free of cost for everyone. So that way, people who are really far away flung, they don't have to spend money on the gas, as well as come out here to again pay for the whole family. So that's the idea, to bring in more people into our Utsav. That's why we help our cause to grow in a bigger way.
But donations are welcome, right?
Donation always welcome, please. So you can go to www.usaganeshmandal.com. That's where you will find a donation tab. You can donate the way you want, $10, $5, or even $1,000. We are all accepting it. And moreover, this is a 501c3 registered organization. So whatever donation you would give, at the end of the year, we will send you a form that you can use it as a tax rebate, so you don't have to pay taxes for those donations. So that's the best part.
And one more thing, हमेशा आप Oakton High School में ही करते हो. Are they giving you any discounts, or you got used to that?
No, I wish.
Jokes apart, it's not
I know. I know. You know what? The Oakton School, I approached them to give me discount. We are 501c and a non-profit. But they have, how they are. They are I know that. So they don't give discount. So we really asked we went to a higher authority to ask for a discount. They didn't give us a discount.
Because even we are used to come to the same school, because for the last 3 years, whenever you think of Ganesh Utsav, it is in Oakton High School. So we also got used to that idea.
Very true.
And maybe they'll after some years they'll name the school as Ganesha High School instead of Oakton High School.
Very true. Or maybe we'll have to take it out, the Lord Ganesh, to a bigger ground, because the popularity is increasing. So maybe we'll go to a bigger ground where we have enough parking We have more booths, so more shopping, and as well as show our kids the real value, or you can say the real grandeur of our culture that we really celebrate and we grew up back in India.
Right, yeah, true. And also along with this event, you have two other events too, along with the kids puja.
Yes.
You have Ganesh Maha Aarti in all
Yes.
the languages.
Yes.
And also you have the Rath Yatra.
Rath Yatra, very true, very true. So after you do a Ganesh Mahabhishek by the kids, guided by the priest, what typically we followed that with Maharti. So the concept of Maharti is pretty new. I don't think anybody is doing that. I haven't seen that either in Mumbai or Pune or any other place. But see, Ganesh Utsav happens in Hyderabad, happens in Kerala, everywhere, all over India, right? So typically speaking, they have their own artis. I said, we are here with the different languages. Why not have a Maharti that includes all the languages? So we have a group in Sudha Garu and Shailaja. They basically help us to compile all our Mahartis together. So I put my Marathi Arti because our Marathi Mandal, it supports our cause. Then there were people who put Gujarati Artis, and then we have Telugu Arti. We also have the Tamil Arti, because I have a Tamil friend who is very active in the Tamil Association. So that way we were able to compile a Maharti and help the
actually
cause.
that is one of the biggest attractions of your thing, the Aarti and the kids puja.
Yes. And then you're forgetting the Rath Yatra. So Rath Yatra, typically if you see back in Mumbai, you have a banjo party playing, and then you have people dancing on the street when you're taking the procession of Lord Ganesha onto the street, when you're doing the immersion, right? Typically that's what we do at the end of the program. We put our Lord Ganesh behind the truck, and then people are dancing around Lord Ganesh with we don't have a banjo party here, but we have a dhol. Dev Garjana, they happily provide us the support in providing the dhol and tasha, and we have big flags in which people dance around with the flags, Bhagwa flag, so it is more of a religious festival atmosphere of the Yatra, and that's very unique over here.
Yeah, we are looking forward for this Ganesha festival. Amodji, thank you so much for coming here and letting us know what's going to happen in the Ganesha festival ahead, which is on September 11th. And it's on Sunday, so from 12 onwards in the noon. So it will be entertainment, there will be entertainment, food and everything, actually. Whatever you think of, it's there. So all of you, please come and enjoy with your family and friends. And especially, this is the festive season.
And a free event.
It starts with the Ganesha Utsav. All the festive season is ahead. And this is the start of it. And we wish you all the best for this.
Thank you so much.
And
thank you so much.
Pilupu TV, it is the media partner of this Ganesha Utsav. కాబట్టి ప్రేక్షకులందరూ తప్పకుండా రండి, పిలుపు టీవీని తర్వాత ఈ గణేష్ ఫెస్టివల్ని రెండింటిని ఎంకరేజ్ చేయండి. మళ్ళీ ఈ కార్యక్రమం మీరు దీంట్లో కూడా తర్వాత చూద్దురు కానీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మోజీ.
నమస్తే.